in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an image to print out for your surrealism project. So you're going to go to Canva and you're going to select Canva. Now I'm already logged in, but it's going to show the login information for you. You're going to go ahead and use your student email. Okay. Once you have that student email done, we're going to go ahead and when we do the design, we are going to do a worksheet. Okay. From here, we want to, you can either choose to keep your paper like this in the portrait, but if you want to resize it, you can. We'll do that. We'll lock this one like that and then resize the design. Okay, and there it is, it's resized. We're gonna go in and you're gonna put surrealism project. And then we're going to start adding in the different things we want into this landscape. So you can look up designs from your computer, so you can upload them from your computer. So these are some that I had before, or you can actually start looking some up. So right here, if I wanted to put like a forest landscape, go to your images, and then we see all of these different things, and you can choose one of these that you like. And I'll give you an example. I try to also use one that's maybe a little bit lighter in color. So maybe something like this. I would right click, copy the image, paste the image, and then we want to make sure that it's super large and that it's going to cover the entire paper. So there it is. And then we're also going to include a few more things into here. So this is our landscape. If you wanted to do something else, like inside of a bedroom, right? You could do the inside of the bedroom. You could do beach landscape. And then you can choose one of these here, right? Do a copy. You would delete this one, paste this one. Oh, it says that the image is not found. Paste. Sometimes the image won't load, so you just have to delete it and try it again. Okay, and then you can start adding the other things. So biggest thing is that you are choosing your landscape. So let's do mountainside landscape. Okay, let's take for example, let's say we want to use this one. Okay, so I'm going to copy, paste. We're going to make this one large. Right, and there it is. Something that you can also do is go to your uploads, and then right here, any that you've used should be able to save. And so right here, this is the one that we're using over here, so they should save. Okay. Once we have that, you can start adding in the other things you want to include. So we'll say, let's just put like a roller coaster. Okay. And maybe, maybe we do like an entire roller coaster. Sorry here. Sometimes you do have to just continue to write keywords and hopefully it'll show you different things. Sometimes it won't. So you just kind of have to see. Over here you can also try like entire roller coaster. See, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I'm gonna copy, and then I'm going to paste. And I don't want this background, so I'm gonna go ahead, this is background remover. And so it just takes the actual image that you want. And I'm gonna place it on top of where the landscape is. I'm gonna place it there. You can also place it somewhere over here if you want to. You can make this larger if you wanted to. Right? But I think I'm gonna leave it about there. Okay, there's a roller coaster. Let's say that you also wanted to like include maybe a school desk of some kind. And then they have different positions. So depending on the kind of perspective you want to give, right, you can go ahead and search for that. I'm not going to lie. I think this one gives pretty much a good perspective. So I'm going to take that one. I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to do the same thing. Sometimes you do need to wait for it to load. And then it gets rid of it. You can right click and duplicate, and then you're going to notice that all the edits that you've made, they still can be used. And then duplicate again. Okay. So something like that. And then maybe we have a whiteboard. Maybe I leave it here, paste. And then again, this might just take some time. It'll remove it for you. Right, and then let's say that you wanted to place it like this and you want this chair to be in front of here. But oops, you know, you did this second after this. What you can do is you can go over to the layers. So this is right click to the layers, show the layers. And then this is going to be, so you see how like the purple square shows up? We're going to move this behind it. And now look at that. Now it's showing as if it's behind. I'm going to go ahead. Withering tree. We'll do one like this. Copy. We'll paste it. Yep. We'll remove the background. Maybe we have one here. Maybe we duplicate. This time I want to flip it. So I'm going to go ahead, flip. I'm going to do horizontally just like that. And then let's say that I want it behind the whiteboard. Then I'm going to right click. I'm going to look through the layers, show the layers, and I'm going to put this one right behind the board. That way they're in two different spots. Okay. And so you're going to make the edits out however you see fit. And again, if there's anything that you want to reuse, there's some other stuff here, right? I can go in and grab this, remove the background. I can then make it smaller. Maybe have like right there. I'm just kind of using the same ideas from movie snacks before so that you guys can kind of see. We'll just do this, copy, paste. Okay, I'm gonna edit the size. remove the background. Maybe I place it behind this guy here. Okay, make it however it is that you want to design. And then when you are done, you're gonna go over to share. You're going to download this. It's gonna be a PNG. That's what's suggested. You could do different things. I think the PNG is gonna be good enough. But you can do JPEG as well. PNG is fine. Limit size, we're not gonna limit, we're not gonna compress the file, and we're not gonna have a transparent background. We're gonna just save it as it is. Okay, there it is, it's gonna show you. Okay, and then from there, you're gonna go ahead and open a document. I'm going to format, page orientation, landscape, okay. And then insert the image. It's in the downloads, so all you have to do is look for the one that you just downloaded, and you might actually see it at the very top. This one's today, okay. And you know what you could also do? You could also surrealism. Oh, there it is. Okay. And then this is perfectly good for, you can even make it slightly bigger if you want. But this is good for the printing. Okay. And so then over here, now you're going to put your first initial, so first name, Surrealism Project. And this, before we do anything else, option, we're going to recolor just to make sure that we can see everything. And if it's too dark, then you adjust the brightness a little bit. That way you can see everything before you print it out. That way it's easy to then trace. Okay. And so perfect. From here, we would just send you over to the print room and you get a printout. Thanks, guys.